Hey, this is Juby at the installation center, and I'm going to be showing you how to put in the quarter window stiffeners that's on the 67, 68, and 69 Camaro. Somebody had questions about it, so I'm going to show you how I do it. I'm just going to walk you through it. I'm not really going to do it right yet. Eventually I'll probably really do it, who knows. But you'll need these and a Camaro grinder. Might need one of these, and let me see, a drill. And I'm going to turn you around here to it, and I'm going to get off the camera and I'm going to show you how I do it sometimes, or possibly the way that you would be doing it. Let's see. I don't know why my guys off camera didn't have these open for me already. They're back there laughing. Figure out which one. Alright, I don't know if you can see, but right in here is a little indention, and that's where this tab right here goes, and it's just going to get a stitch on it. Usually I stick this up in there and I put it against it. My quarter's obviously not pulled in. I've just put these quarters on the other day, but as you can see, it's held off of the quarter right here a little bit. So I usually take it out and I grind this back and get it to where it'll fit nice in there. So I stick it up in there after my quarter's set and my drip rail's on. This is basically the last thing that I do. So with it in there, I slide it up against it as good as I can, get it to fit where this comes up into here. The only way it's gonna move up in there is, like I said, if you grind this back, it'll slide on up higher. I take and mark it out here. I'll put me a mark, and then I'll put me another mark out here on this end. And when I pull the quarter off, I'll drill it, and I'll have it ready for plug welds. So when I put the quarter back on, I stick this thing up in there and get it nice and tight. I hold it there, I weld this, and then I stitch that right there. After I've got it in there, you can get in there with a die grinder and you can clean it up, both of them welds, and make it disappear, as my boss says, make it disappear. So that's basically it. I believe that you can, if you have a spot welder, everything gets fitted up and all the inside don't get welded yet. I always drop my quarter panel and I weld everything up. If I get this in there, I could possibly clamp it and then spot weld it while the quarter's off, and then put it back on and then just stitch that last. But it's just as easy to do it this way. Sometimes when this quarter is in the right position, this is usually higher, you can get a drill with a long bit and you can go right here and you can drill it while it's on here without this in there. But you can drill it on each side and then stick it in there if you don't want to drop your quarter. If you ain't got a long drill bit, you can use a die grinder and just grind you out a spot, and then stick the piece in there and weld it. That's basically it. I hope it helps some of y'all. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'll gladly help. Love y'all. Thanks for everything. Like, subscribe, and share. Thanks. Bye.